All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Cadillac Joe. Hope everybody had a great 4th of July weekend. I know we did. Drank a little too much, but it's okay. Back on the Cutlass. Been slacking a little bit, but just been a issue with parts and stuff. But we finally there. Today I'm gonna try to start doing some hard lines in the trunk. It's too clean to just leave basic, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some hard lines in there and start putting stuff together. We're getting close. I was hoping to be hitting switches this weekend, but didn't work out. We drank too much. I admit it. Had everybody over here this whole weekend. We had a party for a homeboy's daughter, so we were busy. But I'm back on it. Today's Monday. July 7th, this car is gonna be hitting switches soon. Promise. Because I am ready for another project. But let me show you guys where we're at. See what you think. Alright guys, here we go. The rack has been bolted down. The trunk has been painted. Nice black. Got the, come back this way. Got the switch panel right there. Yep, nice and clean. We painted the belly a little bit, well, whatever we could. Like I said, I reinforced it. I installed, go up there. Oh, I installed the C-notch. I still have not installed the brackets for the chains, because I want to see how it is whenever we drop it. But here it is, guys. It's getting there. I went ahead and reinforced the front. Thought I wasn't going to do it, but I did it. I reinforced the front. Hoppos reinforcement kit. Got the chrome in uppers and lowers installed. Just moving it along. Got the pumps out here because I am about to hard line them. I'm gonna take these ugly hoses off and hard line it on both. That is my project for today. You can see this one too. I got it reinforced, nice and strong. There it is. The upper control arm's already installed on this side. Yep. Same thing on this side, reinforced. Arch is good. It should do pretty good, guys. But yeah, there we go. 2 pumps, 6 batteries. Still gotta figure out where I'm gonna run the hose for the front. He wants to run it through the seat, which I don't know about all that, but we shall do it. The rear end has been reinforced. Yup, another Hoppos kit. There it is. I think I screwed up though. These brackets for the chains, they might be too close, so I might have to cut them. I think the cup might hit it. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna do a V cut right here. And I should be still strong enough, I hope. But yep, I should have waited till I had the axle in there, but oh well. We'll figure it out. But there it is, guys. About to paint that too today, hopefully. And there she is. Got them 12s going to the back. Deep cups in the back. Deep cups for the front. Make sure them cylinders don't slip off the coils. But moving along, guys. Moving along. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get going on this hard line. I ain't done them in a while, so hopefully I can do good. It's been a while. But alright, guys, stay tuned. About to show you some more videos in a minute. Let's get it. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. We're still trying to reach that 1,000 subscriber goal. We're almost there. Not really. We're like at 400 subscribers already, guys, so tell your friends. I need subscribers. But here we go. All right, guys, get back with you in just a second. All right, guys. Like I said, I ain't done hardline in a while, but you know, we'll do it. I ain't scared. Heavy duty bender, heavy duty flare, bunch of these little fittings, sleeves, 3/8 sleeves. I'm gonna start doing this one first, see how it goes. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. It's just gonna look better. We want better. Want it to look better. All right, well, it took me a minute. Scrapped a couple of pieces of pipe, but I think that's good enough. Not bad for a rookie. On to pump number 2. How to get a refreshment. All right, let's keep it going.
2 hours later.
All right, we're done for today. I had a few little hiccups, but we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Right, Frank? We'll figure it out, Frank.
Oh yeah.
Front suspension is assembled. All that pretty chrome. You know what they say, Frank? Chrome don't get you home.
Right.
But it sure does look pretty. There it is. There it is. Moving along. Moving along. Got to redo this front pump because it was too close to the batteries. So no bueno for shit. There we go. There we go. We cut one coil off the brand new rack of springs. We'll see how low it sits. Frank wants it high, I want it low. Stay tuned. We're moving along. We're moving along. Don't forget to like and subscribe, mother.